Hello friends, if you want to solve PUBG Mobile age problem which says to protect our younger users we are unable to provide you with chat functions, or another problem which says it is for your safety you need to use quick chat. So if you get this type of problem, then this video is for you, because in this video I am going to share you the solution for this problem. So must keep watching my video till end. I am also going to give you a bonus solution tip if you watch my full video. So I have added that bonus suggestion tip at the end, not exactly at the end, but somewhere at the end. So you must keep watching my video till end.
Hello friends, I am Dakshal Patel and you are watching Test with Dakshal Patel. Please subscribe my channel by pressing the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of my video as soon as I upload them. Don't forget to check the description of my video because I give important links over here. Also, you can press I button while watching my video because I give special content over here. Also friends, at the end of the video, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you didn't like the content of the video, then you are free to dislike it. But please watch all my videos.
So friends, now actually this type of problem never came to me, but many of my subscribers and other people were saying me of this problem and were asking solution for it and told me to make a video. So after researching and taking some information from them, I am making this video and sharing the solution. So let me show you the screenshots, and along with that I will show you the solution. So here this person says of me the problem: to protect our younger users we are unable to provide you with chat functions. And he also says that he is level 40 and therefore he thinks that he is young and he is unable to use voice chat. He has also written, edit, now I am level 20 and same problem continues. Friends, let me tell you one thing very clearly. PUBG Mobile voice chat and your level in PUBG Mobile has no connection. You can use voice chat from level 1 itself. So see, another guy who has told me of problem, and this guy has only given me solution also. See friends, he has told me that PUBG won't let me, saying it's for your safety you need to use quick chat. So the next question that I asked him was, what is your age and which country do you live in? So actually why I asked this question friends, because in the official website of PUBG, in the privacy policy, they have written that a player must be 18 years or above age, right? I don't know why they have written and how they take the age. I guess whenever we sign up with Facebook to save our data, Facebook or Twitter, or you can now sign in with Google Play games also. So from there I guess they take our age. And so if your age on Facebook profile or Google Play games or Twitter is less than 18 years of age, then you might face this issue. So before signing up for PUBG with these accounts, make sure that your age is above 18, or if you are small you can use your parents' ID also by taking their permission. Okay friends, so therefore I asked this question, and which country do you live in? Okay, so as soon as I wrote, then after some time I got his message, oh I see, now thanks. And another guy asked, did you get the solution? If so, tell me. So as I told that the person had to be 18 plus in age, as this person told in reply. I knew this thing and therefore I asked him his age. So friends, the solution to this problem is you need to be 18 plus in age. Friends, it is not like that if you are 18 plus in age that you will never get voice chat problem. You will still get voice chat problem because it is there in PUBG. So I have already made one best video to solve your voice chat problem or mic problem or microphone problem in PUBG Mobile. So must watch that video. That video is somewhat long, but it will solve your every problem of mic in PUBG Mobile forever. So must watch that video. I am giving its link in description, or I have pinned that comment link. Okay, I have put that link in pinned comment, or you can click the I button and go to that video. But you must see that video along after watching this video. Then your mic problem in PUBG Mobile will be solved forever. So I hope you like this video. Please keep watching the video till end. It is great.